My name is Kishan Yadav. I am 18 years old. I have passed my 12th from the Sri Krishna Inter College, Chania, Chandauli. I belong to Chandauli. My village name is Devla. Chandauli, 60 km east from the Banaras and share border with the Bihar. And also I am now pursuing SSB. In my village and also in the area of Chandauli, the main thing is famous in our area, chilies farming, and Chandauli is famous for the in the Uttar Pradesh धान का कटोरा. And also in the Chandauli there is a station. There is a station named Mughal Sarai, the Asia, one of the Asia largest station. And there, and also we have Prabha Chand Saxena, Rajdari, Devdari, and that is our culture. And also our villager main economic our villager economic focus on the cattle farming, agriculture, the main economic. And talk about my education. So I have completed my 12th from the Sri Krishna Inter College, and after from Sri Krishna Inter College I continue my study in the Sri Krishna Inter College, and I took PCM in Sri Krishna Inter College because of my further studies in the NDA and also in the NDA also help in the NDA written examination. So that's why I choose PCM in my 12th year. And after that I have completed my 12th with 90% and also topped in my college. That is and after that I gave NDA exam and I cleared it, and now I am preparing a SSB interview. How many attempts you have gave? This is my third attempt. In my two attempts I was failed. Because of lack of in my weakness, time management, and also not managing my all subject equally, and not understanding UPSC framework, what UPSC asking in the exam. That's why I failed in the first and second attempt. But after in my third attempt I managed my time, and I also ensure I gave many tests, and tennis I take advice from the elders how to do and I give a test on the online to ensure that I am doing well, and after that I gave exam, I cleared it. Why you want to join armed forces? From my childhood I want to join army. So I always fascinated to join army, and also because I inspired by the border movie of Sunny Deol lead. I want to lead a unit like the Sunny Deol in the war, and also I really want to serve my nation. So that's why I want to join. No one in the your relation, who is your relation in the army? In my family, and also no one in the army background, but I always fascinate to joining army. Yes. What is your daily routine, and what is your Sunday routine? My daily routine: I wake up at 5. I wake up at 5 a.m. After that I feed to cattle, and I went for plucking vegetables with my family, and after that I went sabji market for the selling, and came back. After came back after came back I start to study, and I study 3-4 hours, and after that I see if there is any work in my village, so necessarily I do it, and I do it. After doing this, I again sit down for the study. I study 3-4 hours, and in evening I go to farm. In the evening, I go to farm for the doing field work for doing on the Sunday. On the Sunday, as usually, if I have to go sabji mandi to take vegetable, so I wake up at 5 as usually and feed the cattle. I go to farming farm to plucking vegetable with my family, and after plucking I go I go market for selling. I came back home and sit down for the study, and after that I went to play cricket. Sometimes playing cricket, I came back home, and if any work in the house for necessary work, who I delegated or and taking. So I do that work on the Sunday. After doing that work, I help my family, especially I mother for their technology, mobile, and also ATM. That's in this spare time. In this spare time, and what 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 do you farming in? What do you farm? I farm chilies. Wheat. I farm chilies, wheat, rice, onion, and ginger, dal, etc. How do you farm how do you help your family help to you in the farming? How do you help your family in the farming? I help my family in the specific area. I help in the farming. I help in the cattle farming, and also I I take responsibility. I take responsibility for doing any outside work for bringing households things, and also going any relationship for any necessary work. So I used to go. I go, and also yes. So after that, you said you do farming. So what is the main thing you want to improve in the farming? In the farming, first of all, I am learning from my grandfather. So I learn always from the grandmother and his grandfather and his experience, and also learning, and now I am learning from him. There is always the room for the learning. What is your spare time activities, hobbies, and all things? What do you think? So my spare time activities, in my spare time in evening, I do exercise after coming from the farm with my friends, and daily. And on the Sunday in the night, I watch a movie and listen some music, and that movie helped me very lot. That encourage me, that give me motivation for going on and achieving goal. That is my main. What do you think? What is the main problem in the India? In main problem, in my opinion, India, there is educational problem, education system, corruption, healthcare, and judiciary system. In the healthcare system, in the education, our education system focus on the memorize more than skill building or giving knowledge and also giving practical knowledge. There is very lack of infrastructure in our village, and also our village is not focusing on the sport games, and also on the special organize ability entrepreneur leaders, making leaders, and encouraging the youth to become a leader, entrepreneur, and a startup, and do business for helping India. That is a major that creates unemployment in our society, because in worker gap between the worker ability and employee, what company and any work, any job demand, our younger don't have this. So in my opinion, the main reason is one of the main reason is education system. After corruption, I want to quote one word by the Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi said, "If I gave 100 rupees for the village, for going to village, going to village, for going to village, that remains 1 rupee." That is very significant and understandable things that Rajiv Gandhi said. That is a corruption in our bureaucratic and also all other department. That government launch many scheme, but they do not implement on the ground level, on the basis level, on the everyone helpness and reality. So in my opinion, one of the major problem in India is corruption, and also health problem in India. The education, government hospital don't have infrastructure, don't have much doctor or specific doctor, and there is private sector where most of the Indian 80% or 85% cannot afford this. So that's why they go to government hospital. But there is also a corruption. That is also main reason. So healthcare, aged people and who don't have money, they are not covering, they are not able to cover their health care. And in village area, that problem is the more deeply happening, and that creates big problem in a society and a family struggle of this. So and the government and hospital sell medicine in the corruption side. So that is also, and sometimes there is no doctor available, and they refers, and lack of infrastructure not having. The fourth problem in India, in my opinion, a judicial system. The judicial system in recently in now there are 5 crore pending, and unfortunately there are 2 lakh cases are pending more than 30 years. That means I want to quote one quotation. Martin Luther King said, justice delay means justice delays. So in my opinion, a judicial system also important in the impact of the society for the preventing, for the saving. Now in the villager and also urban area, if anyone harass and also women sexual harassment, raped, they do not want to go court file report because of the long term justice system and fear of defamation in the family and long term judgment. We can see that case also. What happened in the Kolkata rape case? What happened? Many many of the many of the member involved in that case and all the country come together. After that, that girl got justice, and most of the people escaped, and the principal of the college also escaped and going another. He got only transfer. So that is also problem in the India. And also one thing I want to measure, and women safety. And the women safety is the main reason, also the main reason in India. And now after 75 years, we cannot send our women, our sister, our mother in the night because of the security problem and harassment, that type of problem. And I want to add one more things. There is no Provision Act for preventing means. Justice, our constitution gives more power to female for harassing. Of the now we are seeing many misuse cases are doing and filing on the men basis of the demanding dowry and also demanding domestic violence. But what is a proof? There is no proof. There is only false case and demanding money, unreasonable money. But that is happening in our society. So that is a main issue. That is a main problem. Inequality and also widening problem in that side. And what is army structure? In the army structure, lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general. And the recent currently chief of the army staff is Upendra, General Param विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल उपेंद्र द्विवेदी. एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द एयरफोर्स, फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर, लेफ्टिनेंट, फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट, विंग स्क्वाड्रन लीडर, विंग कमांडर, ग्रुप कैप्टन, एयर कमोडोर एंड आल्सो एयर वाइस चीफ मार्शल एंड एयर Chief Marshal and Fleet of Admiral. The recently Chief of the Air Force. Recently Chief of the Air Force is General Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Amarpreet Singh. And so structure of the Navy. What is structure of the Navy? Structure of the Navy is firstly sub-lieutenant, lieutenant commander, after that commander, commodore, captain, commodore, real admiral, vice admiral. The currently chief of the admiral is Dinesh Tripathi, General Param विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल और अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल दिनेश त्रिपाठी. Who is your favorite army officer and who you inspire? My favorite army officer Field Marshal General Sam Bahadur Manik Shah is my favorite, and also I always inspired by him, his ability, his leadership, and also livelihood. He always be a livelihood person and increasing his person. He never is called or and said and is called any person. He always encourage, he always creation and his cult image I also like. And I also like Brigadier Kuldeep Singh. uh, Kuldeep Singh uh, that's for the war of the Longiwala in the Jaisalmer in the 1971, and also got Mahavir Chakra. That without fear he fought a long term, and there is lack of resources, lack of personal, army personnel, and also they don't have air force support. They didn't have, they had not air force support. Air force said they would come in the morning because of the night. So that time Major Kuldeep Singh don't didn't give up and also operates in the army, and leading from the front, he maintained his mindset, his presence of the mind, using tiffin place of the mind, and creating fear in the enemy. That that is inspiring for the me. That is very inspiring for the me. And also Indian Army Day. Indian Army is celebrated on the 15th January. Field Marshal Cariappa, K.L. Cariappa, that day Field Marshal Cariappa became commander in the Indian Army. So, and Indian Air Force Day celebrated on the 8th October, and Indian Navy Day celebrated on the 5th December. So tell me about what is your other preference other than what you want to, if you do not select in the NDA, so what do you want to do in the army? So since first of all I will participate in the army exam until my age. After that I would give other exam like the CGL, other competitive exam based on my preparation and my ability. You have written in your PIQ कि you organize Saraswati Puja, and also you are the captain of the cricket team in your village. So how do you manage team? So in my opinion, managing team, that is one gives very knowledge, and working with the people, working with the person, encouraging knowledge, and working on the one goal. Because in the cricket, our focus on the one goal, everyone focus on the achieving one goal. And also in the organization, Saraswati Puja organization, our our main focus on the one commitment, give to becoming, making a best, making a very nice Saraswati Puja. So first of all, giving respect and encouraging all member of the cricket team, and also member of the organizing committee, and delegating work on their ability. Who is know very much about the electricity, so I delegate work to him of the electricity work, who know of the puja and organizes. I delegate that is and maintaining, who know something about the decoration and making new things. So I give them, I delegate work them. So managing all of quality on the one place, and promoting, encouraging everyone कि we will do, we can do, and we will succeed. So that's in my opinion helps everyone, and that is my learning from the organizing and captain. And sometimes in the committee and as a chairman, my idea was not right. So said they are giving idea, they give idea, I take them respectfully. That's I take them respectfully and I implement them. And also in the cricket, sometimes my idea, my planning not doing well in that particular. So I discuss what do you, and taking what should we focus our, and our main focus what should be. And I learn from this कि never give up in any fields, because in the cricket match you cannot win before win, and you cannot lose before loss. That is my learning from my experiment. And in organizing Saraswati Puja, my learning is to use minimum resources in maximum, because we have limited resources that using. In the example, we bring a vessel, sweet machine vessel, and we call one cooker, one chef in the our villager who do not take money for cooking or making sweets. So we manage this, and we gave 2-3 person in support of doing this, and he cook sweet for us. He could shoot for the organizing puja. So that save our money. And also we make pandal by ourselves by cutting bamboo, creating design, making pandal design, and also working everyone working on the pandal, and bringing tent from the tent house, because he will if he bring, so he will take more money. So we bring tent by ourselves, by our sagdi, our that system. So that is help in our saving money. What do your father do? What is your mother, and what is your about the brother? So my father is a taxi driver in the Mumbai. He has been working from the his childhood when he was a 13-year-old. Sorry, sir. My father has been working in the Mumbai since his childhood, and